Okay, time for another crazy Harry invention on your knife sharpener.
Professor, I just have one more question.
No moving parts. Oh, apart from where you clamp the knife on. Okay, but it's got these at right angles to give you the right angle for your knife. Now that can be anything from 18 to 35 degrees or whatever. Generally it's around about 22, but it depends. If you've got a knife set or a German knife set, it's all different. But anyway, so basically I just put it on the cloth, just move it around like that, and you can go like this, but I like the idea of just having an even coverage. And then once you've done one side, you just flip it over, and you're on the other side. Same deal. Oops. And it works really well. Like these, that's razor sharp. Okay, and all it is, just take this off, clean it. Okay. All it is a block of wood, 2 blocks of wood, with 2 aluminium stays here and there, and it's set at an angle, and the knife slots in there, and you just tighten it up here. Anyway, that's my new invention, and I think it's a bit better than the last one. Ciao.